Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to our diagnostic guide on DTC P0615, related to the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit malfunction for the Honda Civic models from 2022 onward. This error code indicates a malfunction in the starter cut relay diagnosis line input voltage detected by the powertrain control module, PCM, when the starter is engaged. The PCM is a crucial component as it manages engine operations and ensures proper functionality. When the starter cut relay diagnosis line voltage does not fall within the expected range, the PCM identifies an issue and subsequently stores the DTC. The starter cut relay is responsible for controlling the flow of power necessary to start the engine. Locating the root cause of this malfunction is essential for restoring the vehicle's operation. DTC P0615 refers to a malfunction in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit, specifically the line input monitored by the PCM. The starter cut relay is vital in ensuring that the engine start process is handled correctly. It operates by controlling the electrical signals that activate the starter motor. The PCM continuously monitors the voltage levels in this circuit to confirm they are within specified ranges. If an abnormality is detected, such as either excessively high or low voltage during engine startup, the PCM will trigger DTC P0615, indicating a diagnostic issue. The starter cut relay is generally located within the relay circuit board under the vehicle's dashboard or engine compartment, making it accessible for inspection during the troubleshooting process. There are several possible causes associated with DTC P0615 that need to be examined during troubleshooting. First, the relay circuit board, which includes the starter cut relay, may be experiencing a failure. This could be due to wear or damage over time. Second, an open circuit in the wiring connecting the starter cut relay to the PCM could disrupt the electrical flow necessary for proper operation. Third, the PCM itself may malfunction, impacting its ability to accurately monitor the starter cut relay's operation and voltage levels. Identifying these issues accurately is crucial to resolving the engine starting problems experienced by the vehicle. Each potential cause should be investigated systematically to prevent unnecessary replacements. The symptoms associated with DTC P0615 mainly revolve around the engine's inability to start. Drivers may notice that the engine won't turn over or that it only clicks when the ignition is turned, indicating a failure in engaging the starter motor. Voltage abnormalities may also be reflected on the vehicle's diagnostic scan tools or during manual inspections, suggesting that the circuit is disrupted. Additionally, the dashboard's check engine light may illuminate as a warning that should prompt further investigation. If these symptoms are observed, it's critical to follow through with proper diagnostic and troubleshooting procedures to identify the underlying cause of the DTC P0615 error. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0615 involves attempting to start the engine. This step is critical as it serves as an initial assessment of whether the vehicle responds normally or if there are any immediate signs of malfunction. If the engine does not start, this confirms that there is a problem that needs further investigation. If the engine does start, it could indicate that the issue may be intermittent or not present at this moment. Documenting the outcome of this initial test is essential to guide the next steps of the diagnosis. Every observation provides valuable insights into what might be going wrong with the starter cut relay or associated circuits. The second step is to perform a test on the relay circuit board, specifically focusing on starter cut relay 1. This involves verifying the functionality of the relay by connecting the appropriate diagnostic tools and following the relay board inspection protocol. Checking this relay is crucial because it plays a direct role in controlling the flow of current to the starter system. If the relay fails to function correctly, it may directly contribute to the starting issues experienced by the vehicle. Ensure that all connections are secure during this testing to avoid erroneous readings. Accurately interpreting the test results will inform whether any components need replacement or further testing. The third troubleshooting step requires inspecting the external circuit, focusing on both the IG1 ST cut relay and IG1 starter cut circuit connections. These circuits are essential as they provide the signal and power supply necessary for the starter cut relay to function properly. To conduct this inspection, verify the integrity of the wiring harness and connectors for any signs of wear, corrosion, or disconnection. If any issues are detected, they must be repaired or replaced before proceeding. This inspection will help eliminate potential wiring issues as the source of DTC P0615. Proper power supply is directly linked to the ability of the relay to activate, making this a critical step in diagnosing the problem effectively. The fourth step involves inspecting the powertrain control module, PCM, itself to determine whether it has any malfunctioning components. If other inspection items have indicated normal conditions, there is a strong likelihood that the PCM is the root cause of the issue. This step typically involves performing a detailed check of the PCM's inputs and outputs for any irregularities. Make sure to review the circuit diagrams and follow manufacturer specifications for accurate testing. If the PCM fails the inspection, it will likely need to be replaced or reprogrammed to restore full functionality. Proper diagnostics of the PCM are essential, given its role in the overall control of engine management systems. After completing the necessary repairs, it is vital to conduct a final verification to ensure that the issue associated with DTC P0615 has been fully resolved. Start by attempting to start the engine. It should turn over smoothly without any abnormal sounds or malfunctions. Following this, clear the diagnostic trouble codes using a diagnostic scan tool and retest the system to confirm that no new codes appear and that the engine operates correctly. This step is essential for ensuring that the repairs have been effective and that the vehicle is safe for operation. Document the results of this final verification to maintain accurate service records that can assist in future diagnostics. Preventive maintenance is a key aspect of avoiding issues related to DTC P0615 and ensuring ongoing vehicle reliability. Regular electrical inspections should be performed to check the integrity of all wiring, connectors, and components within the starter circuit. Monitoring relay performance is equally important, as a failing relay can lead to similar issues without any warning signs. Scheduling periodic maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of unexpected failures. Keeping an eye on diagnostic codes during regular servicing can also help catch potential issues early, allowing for timely interventions that can save both time and money. Establishing a maintenance routine will contribute to the long-term health of the vehicle. In conclusion, resolving DTC P0615 requires careful attention to detail, starting with the identification of symptoms and potential causes related to the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps systematically is crucial for effective resolution. Inspect each component thoroughly, including the relay circuit board, external circuits, and the PCM. Documenting all steps and outcomes will help in ensuring clarity and preventing future issues. By performing proper inspections and preventive maintenance regularly, vehicle owners can enhance the longevity and reliability of their Honda Civics. thereby reducing the likelihood of experiencing such DTCs in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!